Welcome to the tutorial of OpenStack installation. I am Hardik Chawla, pursuing BTech from NIT Kurukshetra. So to install OpenStack in Ubuntu, we will exactly follow the steps mentioned in the official website of OpenStack. So you can also follow this URL to get more information about the OpenStack. So as you can see, the first step in the OpenStack installation is to add the stack user. So we will copy and paste this command into our terminal to create new user named stack. So as I have already created a new user named stack, it will show me that user stack has already exists. So I will move to the next command. Paste this command over here in the terminal and it successfully executes. Now the third step is to switch the user to the new user stack. So we will paste the command over here and it will switch to stack. As you can see, we have been switched to stack user. So our next step is to clone the repository of devstack, for which we will follow this git clone command and we will paste it over here. It will clone all the code from the devstack repository into our stack user. And the next step is to move to the devstack folder. So devstack has been successfully cloned. So we will move to the devstack folder and our next step is to create a local.conf file. So and we have to paste this into the new file. These are all just the 4 passwords for the devstack git repo. So we will create local.conf file using command sudo nano local.conf and we will paste all that data over here and press Ctrl X, Y and press enter. So it is successfully saved. So now our next step is to start the setup of the OpenStack. So as you can see, this command will start the installation of the OpenStack in our system. So copy this command, paste it over here in the terminal, and it will start the installation of OpenStack. So as you can see that it gives us an error that we have not mentioned the host IP address in the local.conf file. But according to the official docs, we doesn't need to, like, there is no need to mention about nothing about it. So to resolve this error, what we will do, we will again open the local.conf file, and then we will add a new variable named host underscore IP, and its value will be the IP address of our system, for which you can move to the wired settings section. Click on the settings icon. And here you will find the IPv4 address of your system. So we will just copy and paste it into our local.conf file. And again we will press Ctrl X, Y and enter to save the file. We will again start the installation of OpenStack using /stack.sh. So now it will successfully install the OpenStack into your system, as it has a lot of components.
Yes.
So it will take a lot of time to install OpenStack. Basically, it will depend on your internet speed also. So thank you.